little bonus clip. So found out I can't remove the mirror without at least either lowering the window or pulling the window out. I tried pulling it out. It doesn't seem like it's coming out unless I take out the regulator, which at that point I might as well just fix the windows now. And also lowering the window will make getting the door handle and the lock cylinder removed a lot easier. So I already took off the little access panel. I'm trying to figure out why the motor's not running, if it's not getting power or what. Over here is the switch. I pulled out the harness for it, and according to the shop manual, which was correct, pink is hot, and then the light blue and tan get grounded to energize the circuit to pull it up or down. So I used my power probe at the switch, and nothing. No noises from the motor, nothing. So I'm going to take a look at the wiring of the motor right here, which is nice because it's real easy to get to once you remove the access panel. Alright, got it unplugged. It's pretty difficult. Hasn't been unplugged in a long time. There's a ton of dirt in there, so maybe just the connection's not good. Alright, so terminal on the right is light blue. That should be, if I give ground, it should go down. Forgot I need the key on in order to have power. So we got power now. Now we ground. Alright, so I got one lead hooked up to the ground, testing for continuity. I'm going to press the down switch, and then I'm going to tap my ground. You're going to hear my multimeter beep. So that just tested the switch, which you can't see. The switch is good, and I'm getting power. Motor is no good at all. It needs a new motor. And while I'm at it, I'll clean the regulator as best as I can. So, guess I'm gonna order a motor since I wanna get this job done. But in the meantime, while I wait for this, anyone know, is it possible to get out the mirror without being able to lower the window? Because I do know you can lower it down and then adjust the stop so it goes a little lower, and then you can angle it back and get in there, but I don't know. Let me know. Or do I just have to wait till I get a new motor? I didn't have it plugged in all the way. So this is what it would do. To me, the motor seems good. It just seems like something in the regulator is stuck. After cleaning out the tracks, just by spraying WD-40, there's still a lot of grease in there, but I think the grease is just like thick and old. And it's kind of rusty and seized because it hasn't moved in a while, but I finally got it. That's as good as it goes, and I can help it and push it all the way down, and then help it to bring it all the way up. But it's getting better and better each time, so I think this is gonna bring back to life, and all I have to do is clean it. So I'm gonna order a new motor for that side, and yeah, so that'll be it for this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.